Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. So today I will going to start a new topic, that is present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense is actions that happened at some point in the past. We can also use this tense to talk about actions that started in the past and continue in the present. So first point is that connects present and past, and the second point is that action in the past result in the present. Okay, so example is simple past. You see, I lost my book. And the same sentence in present perfect tense, I have lost my book. So the formation of present perfect tense: subject plus haves plus past participle plus object. That is the formation of present perfect tense. Okay, so in the present perfect tense, subject of I, you, we and they, then we add have. After the subject, then we add some past participle of the verb. Okay, example you see, I have eaten breakfast. And for he, she and it, we add has after the subject, then we add past participle of the verb. Okay, example you see, John has been to America. So in this example, the verb is been. The past participle of be is been. So John has been to America. So uses 1, when actions that happen in the past. When the action is not important or unknown, let's take a look in the example, students. I have been to London. So in this case, I went to London in the past, but it was a matter when I went, or maybe it's not part of the conversation. So I don't have to use past time. I just say I have been to London. I use present perfect tense. Okay? You see uses 2, actions continuing from the past. We also use present perfect tense to talk about an actions that started in the past and continue in the present. We can use for and since to show when it happened. For example, you see, I have known her for 5 years. In this example, we see for 5 years. If you use for, you talk about the duration. How long has this been true? Okay. In the second example, you see, they have been married since January. So in this sentence, uses since, S-I-N-C-E. So if you use since in this sentence, we have to talk about the specific time that the action started. Students, at first to know about what is past participle form. So a past participle is a word that is formed from a verb. Okay, the first column is verb, the second column is past simple past tense, and the third column is past participle, which is combined with has, that means singular, or have, plural, to form the present perfect tense. So past and past participle of common irregular English verbs are: verb, you see, read, write is a verb, and the past form of the write is wrote, and the past participle form is written. Same example, second example, you see, become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Catch, caught, caught. Okay? Students, in today's class, I will discuss about review worksheet. Okay, chapter number 1, an Indian journey. So let's see the question. Exercise A, write complete sentences in the present perfect tense by using and hints that have been given. So here are some given hints, and with the help of present formation of present perfect tense আমি এটা sentence বনাব লাগিব, that means এটা meaningful sentence. Okay, I study Hindi. I subject I have, I লগত কি বহিব have, I have. So past participle form of the study is studied. I have studied Hindi. Then 2 number question is they go to Pune. So they have, past participle form of the go is gone. They have gone to Pune. Sheila read that book. Sheila has read that book. I know Arpita 10 years. So I have, past participle form of the know is known. I have known Arpita for 10 years. We be here for 2 weeks. We have been here for 2 weeks. Shreyas cook breakfast. Shreyas has cooked breakfast. So past participle form of the cook is cooked. So that's why Shreyas has cooked breakfast. Students, I hope all of you better understand the topic present perfect tense, right? With this, thank you so much, students.